Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Transcribe Offline on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then we go down and tap on hearing enhancements. Next, tap on live transcribe. And then tap on open live transcribe. Now at the bottom here, tap on the settings icon. Then tap on more settings. Scroll down. Then tap on offline transcriptions. At the top here, tap on the Transcribe Offline to turn it on or switch it off. Once it is turned on, you can use live transcribe offline. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.